Good evening, guys, and thank you so much for showing up here with your amazing questions. And I am actually looking forward for your questions. For I have put a question there, which was an invite for the meeting, which was invite for this meeting. Why access consciousness? So, did it kind of bring up something for any one of you? Why access consciousness? What is access consciousness? What it actually does to your life, to your body, to your money, to your business, to any area of your life. Did it occur? Have you heard of access consciousness somewhere? Have you read about it? And would you like to share, maybe in a line or two, what do you know about access? Hi, Yuvika. So good to see you, sweetie. What do you know about access? Anybody? If anybody would like to share their input, you can unmute yourself. Or else I can just go on talking and talking. Hello, would you like to show up? Yuvika, your pretty face. I would love to see you all have your cameras on. Anyways, I'm going to talk about what access is and why access consciousness. So I find it pretty self-explanatory, accessing your consciousness, correct? And how accessing my consciousness every single day using the simple tools of access consciousness has literally simplified my life. And I'm sure people who are already doing access consciousness, they know what your life turn into, and you literally have a before and after reality with these simple access tools. I have many anecdotes and stories of my own, how my life has changed. But I'm going to begin here because a lot of people who are not from Access, I'm just going to, for them, I'm going to start right from the very beginning. What is Access consciousness? Well, according to me and a lot of other people who practice Access consciousness is a system, a set of simple tools and techniques that are actually weird, wacko, wild, make no sense at all, and actually mind-boggling. Well, that's the idea, mind-boggling. But the beauty of access consciousness is that it works phenomenally. It changes your life beyond what you have defined or probably limited, a limited imagination that you may have of your life. For example, okay, I am here, I'm doing such and such job. Maybe 5 years from now, I would like to see myself as a manager or, maybe a branch manager or something like that. So that is something. So that is something we draw a line for ourselves. We draw a limitation for ourselves, and we tend to limit ourselves. Access consciousness has actually taught me how to break free from the limitations. And then even sky is not the limit. Yeah, that's what we have heard. Sky is the limit. Well, sky is also not the limit. Because you tap so much into the possibilities that do not anymore fit into your imagined map, where you had decided, okay, I am here today. Maybe 2 years from now, I should be on this position. 5 years from now, I should be, okay, a little beyond the previous position. No, it can just give you an upsurge that we have not mentally decided. And it may just leave you surprised. Oh my God, this is beyond my imagination. For this is not something I had ever thought in my life I would achieve. That's the beauty of access consciousness. One more thing that I like, actually there are two aspects of access consciousness, and the very core classes of access consciousness is access bars and access energetic facelift, which require no prerequisites. Only prerequisite that is required is your choice to have change in life and be willing to go beyond the definition of change. So even if you have decided, okay, I will have only this much little change, you will have that much only, because that's what your receiving is. So with access classes, there are two aspects which I see access simple tools and techniques invite any being who chooses to. One is it opens up your receiving. We have really not been taught what receiving is in this reality. We don't know. However, when we were born, we knew how to receive. As a child, we all knew how to receive everything from life, everything that life, a human life, entails. Over a period of time, those preconceived notions, the ideas, the imprints on our minds shut our receiving. So the first thing that Access Bars or Access Energetic Facelift does is opens up your receiving. Of course, if you are choosing to have your receiving be opened up. Once your receiving is opened up, you will see the magic flowing in from every nook and cranny, if you allow to. Have you ever seen a little toddler, an infant, wants to experience the whole world, the entire universe, wants to put everything in the mouth, wants to hold on to everything, right? Because the teaching, the conditioning hasn't yet started. And then the first school for the child or an infant, which is the child's own home, the environment, the parents or anybody who are in the house, that becomes the first school for the child. And then whatever parents know as their programming, as their way of functioning in life, they begin to teach the same to their child. It's like if you have oranges, and if I ask for oranges, you will give me oranges, right? You cannot give me apples, can you? So similarly, you will impart the knowledge or the learning as a parent to your child, as a responsible parent to your child, that you have taken from your parents or that you have learned from your environment. Correct? You cannot give something different because you don't have it yourself. And so here begins. Okay, I'm going to mute. So here begins the way of exploration. And how do you explore? How do you begin to explore? Now, this brings to the second aspect of using these tools and making your life easy, or rather ease and beautiful and joyous and whatever that you want to. And that second aspect is simple intellectual curiosity. We do not, we do not teach our children how to be intellectually curious. So I am not talking about every why, because children have a lot of questions, right? We all know that. Have you all observed children, infants? Once they come to the speaking age, they have a lot of questions. Many a times, parents do have answers to them, and many times they don't. So then what you give as an answer does become an imprint for that child. And then when the child sees you functioning in accordance with that answer, that becomes a conditioned response for the child. And now it is imprinted simply as a copy paste response for the child. Okay, this is the way to live life. This is the way how one deals with, say, for example, money. Money is not easy to earn. Every single penny comes the hard way. And so you must not waste it. A simple program, I'm sure most of you must have heard in your house, in around you, wherever, or probably from your family, parents, someone. Now that becomes a ruling conditioned program for the child. Okay, money comes the hard way, so I need to save every single, I need to be careful about every single penny. Now this is a logged response. This becomes a conditioned way of living life for the child. As if a horse has a blinker, now the child cannot see anything around, only can see in this much purview of things which the blinkers, within the blinkers which is allowed. So to break those kind of patterns and conditioning, because now it is not working for your child. And when all of us have been, grown up in that kind of an environment, this is just one example, money. There are thousands of conditioned responses that we are running our lives on in regards to our body. Weight loss is a heavily implanted program that people give up nurturing and caring for their body, having total alignment or communion with their body, for the only ulterior motive or the agenda is, I have to lose weight. For in this reality, being overweight is a wrongness. But if somebody could look beyond that conditioned response, because being overweight is a judgment. If you're overweight, you would be looked upon with a different kind of perspective. And why somebody doesn't like that is because the person is aware that I am being judged and my body is being judged. So how do you go beyond these things which are actually overpowering, that they do not allow you to take control of your own life, of how you be with your life? Is there a better way of being with life? Is there a better way of functioning in your life, which is beyond these conditioned responses, beyond these judgments, beyond whatever that this reality or society we live in? So there's nothing wrong with this reality or society. That's the way it functions. However, when we don't know how to function, how to deal with this, we begin to start fighting it subconsciously. Sometimes the fight becomes so outrageous that it might show up in your physical reality. But sometimes it is just running an undercurrent as a subconscious pattern. And that's how we have those repeated patterns, right? Because we are recreating those patterns. Like, for example, a friend of mine walked out of her marriage because the husband was an alcoholic. And she walked out of it and she said, no, this doesn't work for me, fine. But then she attracted another partner who happens to be alcoholic again. And this is something she had never asked for. Obviously, she did not ask for it because she walked out of the previous relationship for this very reason. Now, this is where we need to look into what is it that creates the pattern, the same thing over and over again. So do we kind of grope into it? Do we go into the depth of it? No. The tools are so powerful that when you are willing to have a bigger, greater, a grandeur life than what you have currently, the tools will work for you, provided you allow them to work for you. And that is where, when I say, that is total receiving. Total receiving includes everything: good, bad, ugly, pathetic, awesome, phenomenal, nasty, everything, but without any judgment. So when I have seen these magical shifts in my life, that's where I'm talking about 9 years ago. That's where I decided I got to be taking these classes out. And that's when I chose to be a facilitator. I would talk about my money reality. When I did the first Access Bars class, the price of the class was 7,500. Today it is 17,000. And just so you all know, if you don't know already, all of the Access classes prices are global standard prices decided by the company. As a facilitator, we don't decide the price. And India is at the lowest price with 35% discount. So if the class, which cost 17,000 in India, the same class costs 26,500 in US or in UAE. Isn't that amazing? So coming back to, I did not have 7,500 then, and I was already pursuing my clinical hypnotherapy and becoming a past life regression therapist and a clinical hypnotherapist. And I had already gone deep into it and kind of exhausted all my, reservoir, the money reservoir into that. So, and at the same time, I didn't want to ask my family. So what I did was I asked a friend for 7.5, 7,500 against a PDC that I gave it to him. And I went for the class and wasn't really very happy with the class. Nevertheless, I just somehow decided, okay, maybe I don't want to continue further. But then one session or one swap with someone just changed my entire concept, entire, that defined thing that based on which I was going and kind of, changing streams. Changing streams is something, change doesn't come very easy, right? We think a lot about any kind of change. Access teaches the simple ways of how to choose change when you're willing and ready to choose it. And those simple tools actually allow you to start choosing in your life. For choosing is one aspect we are not taught in this reality. I'm not talking about choosing just what attire you would like to wear or what dish you would like to eat or where would you want to go. I'm talking about every single choice of your life, including those life-changing decisions. Those what we call as crossroads. Sometimes we find ourselves confused. Okay, I'm at a crossroad. Where do I go? Simple tool. And you would have a quick, awareness dawned upon you. Okay, this is what is going to contribute to me, my life, and to my future. With Access Bars, guys, I can just go on talking like this. So if you have any questions, I would say just unmute yourself and ask me the questions. or you can type in the chat, or I can just go on and on with this. So coming back to Access Bars is the set of simple tools which are weird, wacko, wild, but they work beyond your imagination. Yeah, no worries, Yuvika, carry on. And 32 points that we talk about in Access Bars is those 32 points on your head, which when touched lightly can change every area of your life, because those 32 points are connected with every area of the human life. It corresponds to every area of human life. Like there is a point for money. So if somebody has a lot of aches and pains in regards to money, money doesn't come easily. Or even if it comes, it just flows out in no time. By the end of the month, we are having no money. So there are different aspects of money, and where you do not allow yourself to receive money. You do not allow money to come to you. For money doesn't have any animosity with anyone. दुश्मनी. Money को किसी के साथ भी दुश्मनी नहीं है. Money doesn't say I will go to Arshia or I will go to Seema or Neeta and I will not go to Gargi and Rahul. Money doesn't say that. Money doesn't differentiate. Money doesn't have any judgment about anyone. Having learned this, when money doesn't have any point of view and judgment, we must be somewhere stopping money from coming into our lives or having ease with money. That is where you will learn what are your deep ingrained point of views about money, which are stored in the money point, which is on your head. Not only of this lifetime, but across lifetime. Across lifetimes, when you have had struggle with money, there is a point for healing. There is a point for creation and creativity in your life. There is a point for sadness, joy. There is a point for control. There is a point for future creation, for kindness, for sexuality. If there is any problem in regards to your relationships, any issues in regards to intimacy, there is a point for that. For all these 32 points represents all of the human life composite. Each point corresponds to that area of your life. So if there is a struggle and ache and pain in that particular area of your life, you know what is that point, what is your belief system, which will start reflecting itself, which will start showing up. So Access Bars consists of theory as well as practical. There are 4 sessions in the Access Bars class, wherein 2 you receive and 2 you gift. So you learn the session, you learn the Access Bars technique and all the tools, which also means once you have learned, you got the certificate, you can give the session to anyone and charge them officially. This also creates a revenue stream for you, besides all those revenue streams that you already have in your life. Access Energetic Facelift is, like the word says, it not only lifts your face, it is a great way of rejuvenating your body, because your body is impelled with judgment. I have had people change their money reality after Access Energetic Facelift. Losing weight, having their other problems like PCOS, PCOD, other hormonal imbalances, get all right after Access Energetic Facelift. For in that one class, you're activating 30 to 32 energies, which then start working for you and your body and brings about what is it that is actually working for you, that is actually going to work for you when all of those limitations are gone. So this is about, thank you, Gargi. Thank you so much, darling. This is about Access Bars and Facelift. If you have any questions, please bring it up. Anything more that you would like to know from me about the classes or just in general, anything about that you would like to address through these class, through this call today? Thank you, Gargi. Thank you so much for receiving this. If not, I can, wind up the meeting. It's already half an hour. I can still be here and answer your questions. If you have any questions, please unmute yourself. And yes.
Hi, this is Neeta here. Can I speak?
Yes, Neeta, please. And yeah. I think now you can open your camera as well.
Yeah, I'm in a mess. I mean, I just back from my walk, so please excuse me for that.
No worries. Tell me.
Hi.
Oh, there you are. Yes, tell me.
So my question here is, I mean, I did write those questions to you, and again, the same question is like in this classes, you said, I mean, this workshop, there are 2 sessions where you give and 2 sessions that you receive. So ideally, there are these 4 sessions. Now, I wanted to know that, I mean, personally, I contacted you because I wanted to get my bars done. So I wanted to know, I mean, how do I benefit from this workshop? I will be learning, but I mean, is it possible for me to do run my own bars?
So, where in Mumbai do you live, Neeta?
Andheri West.
There are zillion of practitioners in Andheri area. So once you have done the workshop, you will be added to my support group, and you will actually be introduced to all those people who live in Andheri who have already done the classes, and you can swap the sessions with them.
Okay, so swap the session as in
swap the session as in once you become a certified practitioner, which you will become after the class, you are eligible to give sessions to anyone in your family. By the way, you can run your own bars as well, which all of this pandemic people have been doing for themselves. However, you open your receiving many folds when somebody else is running for you. Okay, so for that we have swap sessions. Swap means you meet up for 1.5 hours or rather 2 hours, and 2 people work on each other. The person will run your bar and you will run that person's bar, and both of you are practitioners, certified practitioners.
Okay.
And that's why now, maybe seeing the pandemic scenario and otherwise also, when people are choosing change, I have families coming in. Like for this class on the 8th, there is a family of 3 members already coming in for the class. They've enrolled all 3 of them, which means in a scenario like pandemic or something, they can run amongst themselves at home. So if you have a friend close by, both of you can choose it together. Or even if you are choosing it, you will be connected with people in that Andheri area. And there are so many practitioners in Mumbai.
Okay. Thank you.
That's it? Any other question?
No, I think most of it is the rest you've answered during the session, and this was what was playing on my mind. So thank you.
Okay. So thank you for your question, Neeta. I have Gargi writing, I'm stuck since last 2 years, but whatever I decide, I'm unable to take actions on that, though I know should come out of my comfort zone. Okay. Also, since last 2 years, I'm stuck with what people think of me, and I am scared now, and I have completely stopped socializing. Correct. Because what you have done is, Gargi, bought into those zillions of point of views and judgments of what people will think of me. And it's a program that many are running, especially in this outside world. So if you really want to break this, madness of judgments which are hurled upon you, some are said, some are verbal, some are non-verbal, some are energetic, correct? Oh, this person must be thinking this about me, because your own mind becomes a monkey mind. It doesn't stop. It just wants to throw information all the time at you. The idea with these classes is to transcend this monkey mind and get hold of yourself and your life, where you become the controller. Right now, people outside are controlling your life. So who is scared? You are scared. Does it feel like a victimhood situation? Do you feel like that? Gargi? There. Yes, you are tired because, when do you get tired? When does one get tired? When you have phenomenal power and potency, but you're not using it for you, rather against you. You're bound to get tired. In between all this, I lost mom all of a sudden in this pandemic. Okay, I lost my dad this January. Do you want to choose your life beyond the loss? And what if you knew that your mom and my dad and anybody that we have lost, they are still there and they want us to create a better life for ourselves? If you knew that, what would you choose? I want to come off this vicious circle. Yes, it is a vicious circle because now this is controlling your life. Why is this controlling your life? Because you don't want to take charge of your life. You can take charge of your life by making that simple choice, stepping out of that victimhood, using simple tools. And when you have your bars run, may I ask you, Gargi, where do you stay? I'm assuming you're from Mumbai. Where are you from? Oh, you're in Pune. Okay, right now I'm also in Pune, but I'm coming for classes in Mumbai. Oh my God, I'm in Kalyani Nagar too. That's strange. Okay, where did you? Probably you have got this from one of the groups in Kalyani Nagar. Okay, thank you, got it. So yes, Gargi, this vicious circle that you are mentioning right now is because you have got yourself sucked into it. Really? Okay. You're in my society then. Okay, thank you so much, Gargi. Please come and meet me. I am in C. Copacabana. Okay, so this is where you have got yourself sucked in, and now this is ruling your life. Can you break the cycle? Hell yeah. Okay, thank you. So you're an A. Great. Can you break the cycle? Well, yes, you can. Are you willing to make that choice? Everything, guys, boils down to choosing. And whether you're choosing or not choosing, or your mind keeps you into the loop of, "Arey, abhi chodo, baad mein choose kar lenge, baad mein dekh lenge." Okay, it's fine. But then you go on procrastinating that change, which you can have today, right now. So whatever, maybe a month, 2 months, 6 months, a year later. It's a choice. And no choice is ever wrong or right. All you have to see is this choice working for me? So I am going to end the session here with this brilliant question for all of you. I don't know. Hello, Dr. Gyanendra. Am I pronouncing your name correctly? Dr. Gyanendra Singh.
Hello. Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Am I pronouncing your name correctly?
Yeah, I am Dr. Gyanendra.
Gyanendra. Okay. So instead of GYA, it's GIA. Got it.
GI.
So where are you from, Dr. Gyanendra?
I am from Hisar.
Hisar.
Yeah.
Okay. So we were just talking about access bars and how it can change your life. And there is a recording also for this call, as this entire call has been recorded. So if you would like to have more information after listening to this recording, I would just suggest you to get in touch with either Rahul or Seema Madan on this call. Guys, can you just leave your name so that these people can get in touch with you, Rahul and Seema? And they will share the recording with you. Okay, you can just take their number from the chat. So this is what Gargi, I will end it. If I choose these classes, what will my life be like in a year from now, 3 years from now, or 5 years from now? Like I said, no choice is ever right or wrong. All you have to ask is this choice working for me? So playing a victim, it's a choice, correct, Gargi? Now you have to ask, is this choice of victimhood working for me or not? Once you know it is not working for you, then you know what steps to take, what actions to put in place that will change your entire reality. Will start changing your reality beyond what you have even imagined possible with these simple tools. And victimhood, helplessness, sadness, victimhood, helplessness is the very bottommost layer. There are a lot of layers on top of that. There is a layer of fear, like you said, I'm scared. There is a layer of anger, because when you don't know what to do with your fear, it takes the shape of an anger. You feel so helpless. You start fighting your own self because you're too scared to fight the world. You're too scared to fight the world. So you start fighting your own self, which means you use your energy against you rather than for you. Does it make sense to anyone? So these tools, okay, it doesn't make sense. So do you have a question here? If you have a question, you can unmute yourself, Karki. These simple tools introduce you to living your way, living your life more consciously, not fixing a problem. However, a problem being fixed, healing happening on that very depth, whether it is regards to money or relationships or your body or job or business or anything, that is just a byproduct of your choice of choosing to live your life consciously. So when you want to fix a problem, you put all your energy in fixing the problem, which may or may not work for you. But when you start choosing to live consciously, you create a different reality, which is way beyond problems, and it is called possibilities. Sorry, there's a lot of noise. I can't talk. Okay, fine. Cool, guys. Anything else? Dr. Seema and Dr. Rahul's number are here in the chat. Please take note of that. And thank you so much for showing up here. There is a recording for this call, and we shall share that. Bye-bye. Good night.